And we are back here at OCC for another sneak peek of Micron's Cleanroom Simulation Lab. Professor Mike Grieb is going to give us a behind-the-scenes look of the progress that has been made since our last feature. My name is Ana Gil from Ana Gil Studios and Officially Unofficial TV. Let's take a look. Professor Grieb, thank you so much again for showing us the behind the scenes.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you for having me.
Yes, of course. And okay, for those who are not familiar with who you are, please, can you give them a brief background?
Sure. I'm Professor Mike Grieb. I'm an assistant professor here at OCC in the Engineering, Science, and Technology Department, and I teach electromechanical technology.
So let's go check it out. Oh my gosh. Okay.
It's a bit different than last time you were here, right?
It is.
This is going to be eventually back in the other room that's being renovated right now, but for this semester, it's going to be located here. The last time you were here, we didn't even have a floor above us. It was just a couple of girders. There was none of this piping or electrical. So they've been hard at work making this into a teaching space for us. Once everything's finalized, this equipment will move away. We'll bring in the CNCs from the other room and add in some new machines in there as well. This robot is industry standard, probably the biggest manufacturer in the world.
I've been working with Micron Chip Camp and recording everything, capturing everything that they're doing, and this is all making sense for me.
Right.
So
Why? Yeah. Now you know why all those Chip Camp projects are like that, right?
Yeah. And so imagine the kids.
We're in the development stage of a new fundamental machining class. So I don't know if you recognize it. Those machines that were in the other room. This is like we like to call it the baby machine, right?
What's the name of it?
It's a vertical mill. It's a milling machine. It's very small, but what we're hopeful is that we can get people excited without it's a little bit intimidating to go with that big machine. After that first semester, they go up to industrial automation class where they start with this basically bare minimum of equipment, and they'll start wiring up the devices that are needed to program it and control it. And this conveyor, they'll have sensors on here to detect when let's say we have a product coming down the sensor and we want it to stop at a particular spot, so we'll put a sensor on there that says, oh, stop right there. That way the robot can come over and pick it up and
that's what the programming.
Yeah, and then so they'll program it. They'll program a touch screen so that you can interact with it. Maybe you want the conveyor to go faster or slower. Maybe you want it to go backwards or something like that. It'll let you diagnose it, but they learn how to wire it. They learn how to program it. They learn how all the different devices work. And again, this was pretty new. This was new last semester, and students really had a great time learning how basic automation works, and then they're going to build from there.
Stay tuned for the next behind the scenes of the Micron Cleanroom Simulation Lab. My name is Ana Gil from Ana Gil Studios and Officially Unofficial, and I'm here with
Michael Grieb, a professor at Onondaga Community College.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye.